YouTube, what's going on, fam? Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. Today, guys, will be a calisthenic workout, body weight only, guys. Look, you can get it in without weights. You don't need weights to get in shape. I use weights, but if you're someone who don't have weights, you can still build a great physique without weights, man. Master the basics, push-ups, body weight squats, pull-ups, dips, man. You can master those movements, guys. I promise you, you can build a phenomenal physique. But we're gonna go ahead and get it in. I took my pre-workout already. Make sure you guys like the video, comment, and subscribe for more fitness content. Also, too, guys, if you want the workout program, I will leave it first link in the description. Make sure you guys grab it. Start the transformation today. Let's put this work in, man. For everyone that's new to my channel, I do work out at home. I don't go to a gym. I get it in at home, and this is the little home setup for right now, guys. I got a few dumbbells right here. I got a dip bar, treadmill back there, a few more dumbbells. Got the whole pull-up rack. Got the bench. I got a cable machine over there, guys. Got the Mike Tyson on the wall. Nobody cares, work harder poster. So yeah, this is a little setup. I am gonna get some black mats. I got those coming in hopefully sometime this week, guys. I'm gonna put that on the floor. So I can't wait till that come in, so you guys, the whole update version. But we turning up this year, man. We turning up the home gym. I'm gonna show you guys how I get it down right at home, guys, how I built my physique at home. Look, guys, exercise, 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 exercise. Health is wealth, man. You can take care of your body, put your body through pain at least for 30, 40 minutes to an hour every single day. You start to build mental toughness. Not only you building your body and breaking it down and rebuilding it stronger, but you building mental toughness, man. Mental, physical toughness, man. Get it right, get it straight. So we're gonna lock in. We're gonna go ahead and get this workout in. Enough of me talking. Make sure you guys like the video, comment, subscribe for more fitness content. And man, let's get it rock and rolling, man. Let's get it. I hope you guys get motivated too by this workout. So sit back, enjoy, and watch. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so pump is pretty solid. We're getting a great workout, breaking a sweat. That's why I like working out in the garage, because it's like I'm able to really sweat, and it feel good, man, to sweat. But let's go ahead, guys, and do some weighted pull-ups and also some weighted dips with the weight vest, not weight vest, but weight belt. So we're gonna get that going, man. But make sure you guys know, I'm telling you, put your health first, man. Put God first. Take care of yourself, guys. Like, you guys don't understand, man. Before I started working out, I hated who I was. I felt bad in the inside, internally. I didn't like the person I seen in the mirror. But once I started working out, guys, my confidence boosts, my mind is sharp, man. This is therapy for me. I love this. I love doing this. I love exercising. This therapy for me. And I'm telling you guys, once you get your tail in that gym, you start to take care of your body. It's like one of the best feelings, one of the best investments that you could do for yourself. So you have not started exercising, man. Start exercising now. It don't matter if you go for a walk around the neighborhood, you go to the park, you do a few push-ups in your crib, whatever. Do some sort of exercise daily, guys. I'm telling you. But I feel good. I feel amazing. And we're going to finish this workout. So if you have not already, man, still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, man. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers. We're running up this year. Let's get it. YouTube. All right, y'all, so your boy is back. But the sun going down, it's going on 6 o'clock, guys. So I'm just go ahead and get my second workout, cardio, abs. I might do some more push-ups. But before I do that, I'm just to go ahead and cook my meals. I got about 3 more meals that I need to eat before the day is over with. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook that, prep that, you know, so when I come back from my second sesh, I can just eat and just eat the rest of my meals, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. All right, y'all, so I got this new supplement that I'm gonna start taking starting today. TikTok sent it to me for free. So it's some collagen, as you guys can see, but it's supposed to help with healthy hair, nails, skin, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a scoop of that. Might mix it with my pre-workout, which I do take the gorilla mode now. And yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and get that going. $6:14 now, y'all. 6:14. Let me hurry up. God damn, it's a big scoop. That shit do look nasty. I'm not gonna look up. All right, guys, so that's a pretty good workout, but it's currently going on 8 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go ahead and fix me some sweet potato and some lean ground beef. But I'm gonna end the video off right here. Make sure you guys subscribe for more fitness content just like this. Follow me on all my social media platforms. It's 2026, man. You still walking around fat, you know, out of shape, and you not doing nothing about it. Come on now, lock in, fam. It's 2026. Get in shape. Health is wealth. Be better for yourself, for your family, the people around you, man. Chase the best version of yourself. You only get one chance to live, so live it like your fullest, man. But now, if you're someone who don't know where to start, I did put together a 90-day plan that you could do right at home, guys. It automatically comes with a nutrition plan. So you get the nutrition plan and workout plan, different workouts to do throughout the week. You know, you don't need to spend an hour and 30 minutes, you know, working out. I do that because I love it. You know, you can spend at least 30 to 40 minutes throughout your day, man, daily to get some sort of exercise in. Come on, man. You're already ahead of a lot of people, man. A lot of people don't exercise. Put your health first, guys. Health is wealth. Lock in. You guys, like I said, you want the workout program, I will leave the link description down below. First link. Make sure you guys grab it. I love you guys. It's your boy, DM the Great. Road to 50,000 subscribers. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. I'm out. Peace.